Okay, I'm here in Hard Body's gym. This is how I start the day. Start the day like this. From here. Sometimes probably come here about 4 times in a week. Getting a good session. I woke up a little bit late. But yeah, day in the life. What's up everyone? I've just finished up at gym and now I need to go into the city centre to go to 2 different banks. One of them I need to transfer £40,000 from my personal account into my business account so I can use that to actually buy one of my next property deals that I'm doing. Because I can't do it online because it's too big of a transaction. And then I need to go into the other bank and basically add on my business partner onto the company bank account so we can both access the company bank. I'm just having some CBD, helps me relax after the gym, makes me more relaxed and chill with my day. Very nice. I did want to make an offer on it. Okay. To make an offer subject to planning permission being approved on it.
Yeah, but you still wanting to put 325 down subject to planning permission?
No, because I've run the numbers on it, just kind of based off what I've kind of seen in terms of what's selling, etc, etc. I think the highest we could go is 290 subject to planning.
290 subject to planning. Okay, I'll put it forward to the vendor. I think it may be a little bit low for them to accept, but I'll obviously explain the reasoning behind it and I'll let you know what they say.
Yeah, because if they do agree to it, then all we'd have to do is, as long as it was taken offline, we'd submit the planning application. Yeah. And we have to pay money to do that, so it's going to cost us a few thousand to actually get that all done. So that'll be to kind of show our commitment as well. So we do that, and then if it gets approved, we just go ahead and buy it for the agreed price. We'd be happy to put something on paper as well to say that we definitely buy it if it does get approved.
Okay, yeah, leave it with me, Dad. I'll have a chat with the vendor and then I'll come back to you.
Yeah. All right then. Thanks so much.
All right, thanks for that.
Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I've just put an offer in on a large property that I can potentially turn it into a 10-bed HMO, 9-bed HMO. So put an offer in subject to planning permission. So let's see what they say on that. I'm happy to make lowball offers. Are you? Will you make a lowball offer? Do you have the guts to do it? Or are you too scared? Comment below. Tell me what you guys think. Do you do lowball offers? Yes or no? Just about to go and pay my tax bill for the year, for last year and this year. It's time to pay tax. Taxes are getting paid. It's got to be done. I'm just going to call them now and pay that bill. Luigi.
You're through to the automated payment service. Using this service with a debit card or a corporate credit card. The card must be issued by a UK.
Have they really just transferred me after half an hour to a robot?
We don't accept personal credit cards.
Music video time. Dogs, fucking dogs. You want to talk to me about dogs, mate? I'm trying to pay me tax. Right now, we're gonna go make these payments. I'm gonna go online first, pay the tax online because I couldn't do it over the phone. So we're gonna do that online. Then we're gonna go to town, city centre of Nottingham. I've got a few paperwork things to do as well. So guys, stay tuned. Got tea here. We're just running around, doing errands and stuff. Mainly paperwork. It always bites me. Whenever I try and cheap out, it always bites me. It bites back. So I've learned, don't cheap out, just pay. Just get used to paying for stuff. Because I used to be so cheap, but now I just think whenever I'm cheap, it always messes me up. And it always like, something just goes wrong. For example, I'll pay for 1 hour and a half or 2 hours, and then I'll be taking my time and I'm just rushing around and making mistakes. So yeah, pay for the 3 hours. Couldn't do it when we was in the actual bank because there's a limit on how much you can do without 2 forms of ID. So I didn't know that, but I need to use another form of ID. So what I did was, I just did it online and then I've just done 22 now and then 15 or 20 tomorrow. So yeah, it's one of those things, but a bit annoying, but we move. So today's been pretty chilled out. As you can see here, I'm just at Hugo Boss trying on some more of a smart style. I'm trying to improve my style. I'm trying to get more of a sophisticated look. So there are going to be days that are less busy. Like for example, today was pretty chill. Other days are so full on where it's kind of stressful sometimes. Some days 5 to working for myself, so self-employed, landlord, developer, and now it's more, my time is more, I work at just weirder times. Like, the one downside is though, when you're working for a company, you can come home and you can forget about work. You can shut off. The company's problem, it's not your problem. But when you're running your own company, sometimes it can come home with you and you just kind of think, well, you know, I need to do this, I need to do that. And you're still kind of thinking about how to improve your business, how to get better, property deals, you're still thinking about certain deals. So it can be hard to switch off, but things I like to do to switch off is go to the spa. There's a Hilton hotel in Nottingham which has got like a swimming pool and a spa, sauna, and that's back open now, thank God. So I've been going there with my friend, and yeah, that's been pretty cool. So I do that, go for walks and working out, watching movies as well. So these things I do to switch off, and yeah, but in general it's a lot more stress-free than the job that I had. With the job I had the manager breathing down my neck all the time. Another point is as well, is when I was working in a 9 to 5, I just felt like they didn't really care about my progression within the company, and they didn't want to see me do well in general in life. Or whenever people are working for me, I always want to make it long term for them. So there's like, if they want, they can progress within LN Capital or my working with myself. So that's kind of my thoughts. I feel like, who wants to have a job or a position where it's just short term and it can't go anywhere? You want progression. You want to be able to like get better and better and better the more work you put in, and the better you perform. So I don't know, I just felt in the particular job I was in, there was no progression. So that's why when I was able to leave, it was such a good feeling, because yeah, but I've got a video coming out soon on when is the best time to quit your job. If you did enjoy this vid, then like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.